Exercise intensity plays a crucial role in fat burning and weight loss. Contrary to popular belief, the amount of energy burned during exercise is not solely determined by distance covered. Recent research conducted at the Institut Louis Bugnard in France has shed new light on this topic. The study involved 10 overweight teenagers who participated in 3 different scenarios. In one, they remained inactive. In the other 2, they burned 300 kilocalories through cycling at different intensities. The low-intensity session was performed at 35% of their maximal oxygen uptake and took an average of 54 minutes. The high-intensity session was done at 70% of maximal oxygen uptake and lasted 26 minutes. After each session, the participants were given a meal that matched their usual caloric intake plus the 300 kilocalories burned during exercise. The researchers then measured energy expenditure and fat burning during the recovery period. During the immediate recovery period, which lasted 30 minutes after exercise, the high-intensity group burned 56 kilocalories compared to 47 kilocalories for the low-intensity group. In the postprandial recovery period, which lasted 6 hours after the meal, the high-intensity group burned 664 kilocalories, while the low-intensity group burned 642 kilocalories. The total energy expenditure after exercise was higher for the high-intensity group at 720 kilocalories compared to 689 kilocalories for the low-intensity group. This resulted in a difference of 31 kilocalories. When it came to fat burning, the results were even more striking. While the low-intensity exercise burned slightly more fat during the actual exercise session, the high-intensity exercise led to significantly more fat burning in the hours following the workout. The high-intensity group burned 11 grams more fat than the control group, while the low-intensity group only burned 3 grams more. These findings challenge the traditional belief that low-intensity exercise is optimal for fat burning. While it's true that a higher percentage of calories come from fat during low-intensity exercise, the total amount of fat burned is greater with high-intensity exercise when considering the post-exercise period. This research has important implications for weight loss strategies. It suggests that shorter, more intense workouts may be more effective for fat loss than longer low-intensity sessions. For example, a 30-minute jog could be more beneficial for weight loss than an hour-long walk. The increased fat burning after high-intensity exercise is likely due to several factors. High-intensity exercise creates a greater oxygen deficit, which the body must repay during recovery. This process, known as excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC, increases calorie burning for hours after the workout. Additionally, high-intensity exercise may boost metabolism and improve the body's ability to use fat as fuel. For those looking to maximize fat loss, these findings suggest incorporating high-intensity interval training, HIIT, into their exercise routine. HIIT involves short bursts of intense activity followed by periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This type of training can be adapted to various forms of exercise, including running, cycling, or bodyweight exercises. It's important to note that while high-intensity exercise may be more effective for fat loss, it's not suitable for everyone. Beginners or those with certain health conditions should start with lower-intensity exercise and gradually increase the intensity as their fitness improves. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new exercise program.